All right, congratulations. You've made it to week 3. So, welcome, and let's get right into what you're going to be doing this week. So, this week we're going to add on to everything we did week 2. Plus, we're going to add fasting into this protocol. So, what we've been doing the first couple weeks is preparing the body essentially for fasting. And, if we can do it, ideally we can push, go into potentially intermittent fasting or at least a day of fasting. And you could look into it. You could look into, the different types when we talk about all the fasting protocols. So that's kind of what we're leaning towards and getting into, because as far as detoxification goes, that's what we're leaning towards, is getting to that point. So if we're looking for, this is really for long-term results, we're looking to get to that point. Listen to your body, start slow, and we can really make some big improvements. Now, I do believe there are times when not eating is actually the best medicine. So fasting gives the body a chance to rest from digestion and then use that energy for healing. And that's ultimately what we're doing with fasting. So the simpler we can go, the less we're eating for a short amount of time. It can be really helpful for our overall health. And we're going to be talking about that in the next video. So see you there.